Question number 2 we will start solving. Find the following differences. You just know the meaning of differences, that is subtraction. Wherever you will find this word difference, you keep in mind it means subtract. Okay, now we have to find the difference between 50,871, 23,692. This type of question, I mean question number 2, A till F, we have to do in our maths fair copy. You will note down exercise 4.2, question number 2A. I'll solve and show how to do. The question is like, you will write like this, 2A. 5871, 23,692. We have to do subtraction. From 1 can we subtract 2? No, right? So 1 will become 11 and this will become here 6. 11 minus 2 will be 9. Okay. 6 minus 9 is not possible. 8 will become itself 7 and it will become here 16. Now 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, how do we do? From 10 we will count till 16 like this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We'll get here 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now 0 minus 3 is not possible. 0 will become itself 10 and it will become here 4. 10 minus 3 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. Like this is your answer. After this, question number 2B you will do on your own. Okay, I will start doing question number C, 2C. Question is 3,45,726 minus 1,80,313. Yes, I have written the question. We will start solving. 6 minus 3 will be 3. Bigger number can subtract the smaller one, but a smaller one cannot subtract the bigger one. Only this thing we have to keep in mind. 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4, 5 minus 0 is 5. From 4, 8 cannot subtract. 3 will become 2 and 4 will become 14. Now from 8 we will count till 14 like this. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We will get here 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Clear? 1,65,413. 2C also we did. Then we'll come to 2E. D also you have to do on your own. I will solve E. 278,005. Then we have 82,796 like this. Okay. Minus. You see I have written the question. From 5 can we subtract 6? No, because minuend is a smaller one. Nah? So 0 both the places. 8 will have to become 7 and then 10. Okay, now this 10 will give 1 to the 0. Now this 10 will give 1 to 5. I hope it is clear now. 15 minus 6. You will get here 9. 9 minus 9 we can do 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. From 7 can we subtract 8? No. It will become here 17. Okay, now 17 minus 8. From 9 you will count till 17. You will get here 9 and 1. Here we don't have any number, so 1 will be 1 itself. This will be your answer. 1,95,209. So A, C, E we have done. Then I'll do the last one also for you, 2F. Then B and D you will complete on your own. Okay, 2F I'm doing here. Pay attention. 554,132. Then 97,864 like this. I have noted down the question here. From 2 cannot subtract 4 because it is the smaller one. What we have to do? Borrow, no? 3 will become 2 and it will become here 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Keep in mind, okay? Now again this is the smaller one. 2 is the smaller one, no? 2 will borrow 1 from this side, so 1 itself will become 0 and it will become here 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, then 0 minus 8 not possible, 4 will become 3, then 10, minus 8 is 2. Clear? Then 3 minus 7 again not possible, 13 minus 7. What will be the number? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You will get here 6. Now this will become here 4, then here 14 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You will get here 5 and here 4 like this. So here we have completed till 2A to F. Now then B and D you will solve on your own.